Young, you got CLP? There we go. Somebody's fucking squared away besides. Oh, never mind. Barry's got me. Here, hold the cap. We're gonna push up while they fucking fuck that dude's house up. Hey, how about you shut the fuck up? Hey, here's the dude with the fucking red hat. What's up, man? See any Taliban? Okay, yeah, book. Yeah, Taliban? Al Qaeda? No? Down over here? Yeah, over there? Check out this fucker.
No, the tip's
too big for a 50.
Bro, this rocket launcher is bullshit.
Would you rather carry 240?
I'd rather carry my M4. Just for the fact that when you got shot at, I'm laying in the grass.